Hi Abhishek,
Hi.
this is related to the NASSCOM Emerge Out that's happening on 28th.
Yeah.
So like my first question is, are you attending the NASSCOM Emerge Out?
Yes, of course.
Are you attending alone, or your company will also be a part of it?
I'll take along around 5 team members from my company because I think they need to attend this event.
Alright. So why are you taking so many people, and why you think that the startups or the other SMEs should also attend NASSCOM Emerge Out?
I have attended many events, but I think this NASSCOM Emerge Out is going to be the grassroots level event where we will actually talk about business issues and business problems of SMEs and how they can actually scale up and grow. And therefore, it is very important that my team, which works with me, understands those issues, and it will kind of become a mentoring for them, so that they can deliver better results in the growth.
And moreover, the sales workshop is also there, so that
I think the sales workshop itself pays many times over for the event. So sales workshop is something which is like most welcome and a surprise entry.
Right. And being in Calcutta, I'm sure in the past you would have wished that such event should have happened a lot earlier for Calcutta companies.
Absolutely, because when we started, this kind of an ecosystem was absolutely missing, and I think if this kind of ecosystem would have been there at that time, my company or the companies which grew along with us at that time would have had a very accelerated pace of growth. So I think this is a great change in the ecosystem.
Right, absolutely. Since we want to keep the interview very short, we'll have a longer interview at very short. So then we'll have details about how the company grew and everything like that.
Sure.
So thank you for your time. Highly appreciated. Thank you so much.